In this simple video I'm showing how to create a folder without a name. So, let me show to you this simple guide on step by step. First, right-click on the desktop. New folder. Now in this area of typing your folder name, press the Alt key on the keyboard and type in 255. Release the Alt key to see the changes. Done. Here you can see the folder does not have the name. That's how we do it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay. Next for you is right-click. New folder. Here in the typing area right-click. Select Insert Unicode Control Character. Then move this side and select Active Arabic from Shaping. Boom. Now that's how we create a folder without a name. So, thank you for watching. We meet at the next video. Have a nice time.